पहली गेंद पर शॉट खेला लेकिन किनारा लगा। कमाल का शॉट। टाइमिंग उतनी बेहतर नहीं थी लेकिन आउटफील्ड बहुत ही तेज। किनारा और कैच था। भाग्यशाली रहे यहां पर, एक मौका जरूर था लेकिन इसे टपका दिया। शॉट गेंद और पहला झटका यहां पर, और वो दिलाया इरफान पठान ने। कप्तान को चलता किया यहां पर, शॉट गेंद पर चकमा दिया। पुल करना चाहते थे और टाइमिंग नहीं हुई। कमाल का शॉट, ओहो देखने लायक। ये खतरनाक हो सकता है लेकिन बच गए। एक ड्रॉप, दो ड्रॉप और गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर।
Look at that. Found the gap to perfection. Don't bother running. That's pulled away. Will get to the boundary. That's pulled away. Will get to the boundary.
ऊपर से खेलना चाहते थे और चौका मिलेगा। बहुत अच्छा शॉट। 31 पर पहुंच गया है गणेश सतीश। एक अच्छी पारी खेलते हुए यहां पर विदर्भा के लिए।
Taken, thick edge, and it carried all the way to third man. He's always looking for the big shot down the leg side, but this time getting a holding edge. And very neatly taken in the deep, so change of bowling has worked. Shade coming into the attack, very first delivery, he's got a wicket. That's a very good hit, it's gone the distance. That's a wonderful shot, a little bit of a shuffle towards the off stump. Right from the middle of the bat.
बढ़िया शॉट, बेहतरीन शॉट, कोई मौका नहीं 4 रन के लिए।
It's a good strike. It's a full toss to begin with. And what a delivery to get when you're batting 47. And a superb way to get to his half century. Ganesh Satish second six for him.
उठाकर मारा है ऊंचा और उसी के साथ आउट। अच्छा कैच। ऋषि अरोठे ने कैच पकड़ा। फ्लाइटेड बॉल थी, उसको उठाकर मारना चाहते थे, शायद वो गति नहीं मिली जिसके चलते आउट हुए सतीश।
In the gap before. Edge and it's gone wide of the keeper. It's run away to the boundary. A genuine edge that win the over.
Pulls it this time. Is it straight to the fielder? Yes, it is. That's a terrific catch at long on. Magnificent catch. He had to dive in front. Deepak Hooda, the fielder, at long on, he has done magnificent effort.
समय आ गया है, जैसा आप कह रहे थे, एक्सीलरेटर पर पैर दबाने का, और लीजिए छक्का। कमाल का बड़ा हिट यहां पर जड़ा है वानखेड़े में, और एक छक्का वानखेड़े द्वारा। बढ़िया शॉट और एक छक्का यहां पर जड़ दिया। दूसरा छक्का। कमाल की बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं यहां पर विदर्भा के खिलाड़ी।
Full toss again. This time the fielder coming underneath, but all he can do is watch the ball go over the ropes. Length delivery and put it in style over long on. That's another big hit from Vidarbha. Oh, nice delivery. This time it was fuller in length. Run out, chance, and Apurva Wankhede has to jog back to the pavilion. It's a nice throw from long off. Deepak Hooda, the fielder, he had a terrific catch earlier, and this time a good run out from long off.
इस बार सिर्फ एक रन मिलेगा। 12 रन आए इस ओवर से। 20 ओवर के बाद 162 पर 5 विदर्भा।
162 for 5. That's what Vidarbha got. Baroda will have to come all guns blazing to chase this one. Well, that's what Baroda need at the moment. 163 runs to win of their allotted 20 overs at the healthy run rate of 8.15 runs per over.
बरोड़ा की पारी की पहली गेंद, बढ़िया शुरुआत और इस बार अंदर भी लाए। विविधता है उनके पास, आउट स्विंग कराते हैं, इन स्विंग भी कराते हैं और यहां बेहतरीन रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स। बढ़िया शॉट, जगह दी थी हाथ खोलने के लिए, उसका भरपूर यहां पर फायदा उठाया केदार ने। उठाकर खेला है, पावर प्ले का फायदा यहां पर बेहतरीन टाइमिंग के साथ। बरोड़ा की पारी का यह पहला छक्का। उठाकर खेला है, ये नुकसानदायक साबित हो सकता है और जी हां, ये पहला झटका, इसी की जरूरत थी विदर्भा को और बहुत ही बड़ा विकेट, बड़ी मछली फंसी जाल में। केदार देवदार आउट हुए।
That's nicely struck. And it's maximum.
बढ़िया शॉट, बेहतरीन शॉट, अच्छा कलाइयों का उपयोग 4 रन के लिए।
That's close and he's gone. Gonzo. Jangid strikes. Second wicket falls. Just like that.
Deepak Hooda paying the price, playing against the spin, against the line of the ball. Umpire had no hesitation giving that out. Big shot attempted. Catches the call and he spilled it. No. Oh, it's all happening out there in the middle at Wankhede. That was an easy catch. It was put down.
और देखिए, जिसके बारे में कह रहा था मैं, बेरहमी से मारते हैं। कमाल का छक्का यहां पर जड़ा है यूसुफ पठान ने।
Hold him, but he just plays one across the line. Left arm spinners are ruling out there at the moment at Wankhede. Another good delivery, but this time Pandya will get a boundary. That's exactly what Doctor ordered for Baroda. Pulls it, hits it in the air, and again a drop. At deep covers, fielding is something they'll have to pick themselves up. They need to stop this bleeding.
Pandya, the man on strike. He's hit it flat and it's gone the distance. They need a lot of maximums.
और इस शॉट के साथ अर्धशतक पूरा हार्दिक पांड्या का, 51 पे पहुंच गए सिर्फ 32 गेंदों में।
And again he's done that. Long on, we'll just watch it sail over. 3 sixes in the over. Just the kind of over they required. The momentum now shifting.
छह रन। इरफान पठान कह रहे हैं हार्दिक पांड्या को कि जो आप कर सकते हो वो मैं भी कर सकता हूं। Massive shot. 6 of the innings for Hardik Pandya.
And again, targeting long on. It's a mighty one to begin the over. Now the equation becomes quite simple. 13 required from 11. What a shot. That's a scorcher. There was a man at long off. He hardly had any chance. What an innings this man's playing. Hardik Pandya. Patan this time. And he clears the boundary. His partner is celebrating as well. It's not yet over. A couple more runs to win. There he goes. It's big. What a way to finish a game. The signs off in style. This now becomes his highest score in T20s. Going past 82 not out versus Mumbai. Now 86 not out of just 46 deliveries. 3 fours, 8 massive sixes with a strike rate of 187, beg your pardon. Baroda have won this game comfortably by 6 wickets with 1 over to spare. Vidarbha put into bat, got 162 for 5 in their core of 20 overs. We thought it was a good, decent fighting score. They were in the game till Pandya took over. Pandya and Irfan Pathan, partnership of 83 of just 39 balls. Both remained unbeaten. In the end, Baroda winning it comfortably by 6 wickets with 1 over to spare.